we were talking about PhD, and we there were so many topics going on, and eventually I said that maybe nobody talks about PhD students. I think we should talk about, because everybody talks about their work. It's always about the work they do, the publications they have. It is always about the technical part of their. Nobody actually goes and asks them how you are on a particular day, because okay, whatever they achieved, it took several years.
Yeah.
It took a lot of hard work, and they had to shed a lot of tears as well, most of them. So you have to shed a lot of tears. You have to be like, there are days when you go through a lot of down moments, like when you are not feeling that you are good enough to do this work, you're not fit to be in this field. And I think nobody talks about that, which is really, really, really bad. And like, nobody comes and asks a PhD student how they are. They always ask, when are you finishing your PhD, when are you
Yeah.
publishing?
Yeah.
These are the
This is.
questions that come, and nobody asks that if they're happy doing what they're doing. So it was something that we wanted to humanize this process. It was like, everybody talks about their work, which is fine, and they get recognition, which is great. So, but let's just talk to the PhD students and ask how their journey has been, how their day-to-day life is. It is more about humanizing that journey, because most of them feel that they are alone in this journey when they're struggling. They feel that they are the only people who might be stupid, but it's not like that. There are many, many, many like them who go through the same feeling of depression, same feeling of being not good enough. That's how they feel most of the days. And so we started with our friends. Like, we asked some of our friends if they would like to interview, and they would like to share their moments of joy, their moments of success, or their moments of failure, and when they were really, really down and they were depressed in their journey. And so when we published our first story, it itself got more than 100 likes.
Wow, that's great.
And we knew that, okay, this probably would connect, and this is something that could work in future. So we continued doing that, and then slowly, like, people themselves started coming up and saying, hey, I would like to get featured on your page, what should I do? And it felt really nice. It felt really nice that people are actually connecting to it. Many of them wrote to us that such a nice initiative. We never knew that this could happen. We never knew there was somebody out there who is going through the same thing as me. And it was a really nice feeling. And we thought that, okay, we are doing something good.